Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your cruise control system on your Audi A3 or S3. We are sitting inside the car at the driver's side, and the cruise control is also known as speed control or cruise command, auto cruise, or of course tempomat. It is a system that automatically controls the speed of our motor vehicle. The system is a servo mechanism that takes over the throttle of the car to maintain a steady speed as set by us. And the lever of it is on the left side, and we can make a set with a button to set the current speed. Then, if we like to perform another, we can push the lever up or down to accelerate or go down with the speed in steps. Then we have the possibilities to push it back. That means we switch off temporary, and if we pull the lever of the left side, that means we will enable the cruise control again, because it can be temporarily stored our steady speed as well, and then we can push it away from us, the lever that will set it in the vehicle, but it does not have enabled the cruise control. But if we like to perform this again, we can pull it, and then it comes back to the previous saved steady speed. Okay, let's perform this in a live mode. We are now entering the road. Wear your seat belts and have a look at the front side and do not crash anywhere. So let's now take the cruise control of our vehicle. That means we will take over the throttle of the car to maintain a steady speed as we set it in. We manually accelerate the car, and now we can set the current speed right now by pushing the button. Then we will see the saved speed on our screen in front of us, and we see a green icon with an arrow on it. So now the cruise control takes over the control, and now it takes over the throttle of the car to maintain a steady speed as we set it before. We can perform a little bit more by pushing the button or the lever on the left side, the cruise control lever, upward to accelerate more. Of course, we can lower the speed by pushing it down. And if we have set the cruise control service enabled, and for example it's at 70 kilometers per hour, and we want to drive temporarily faster, we can accelerate by our acceleration pedal, no problem. And if we release the pedal again, it will come back to the saved cruise control value. Then the next thing is we can disable this function. To disable the cruise control, there are two options. The first option is brake pedal. We are now pushing the brake pedal, and you can see the icon is gone. Now the cruise control is switched off, but the value which we programmed before is in the system. We can switch to enable again by pulling the lever to us. Then it comes back. The cruise control will come back to us. And the next thing is, the second disable option is to push forward the lever of the cruise control. And you can see the cruise control is switched off. If we push the cruise control lever in 2 steps forward, that means it will switch and delete all cruise control speed settings, which we set before, and then we have to perform a new programming. That means we have to push again the set button. And so you can use your cruise control on your Audi A3 or S3. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.